how to use LinkedIn Learning. In order to use LinkedIn Learning, you need an active subscription either through a personal LinkedIn Premium account or an enterprise license provided by your employer, university, or local library. So here's what you need to do. First thing, you have to learn or log into linkedin.com/learning. So open up any browser that you have, type in linkedin.com/learning. There you go. You want to press open the first link that pops up. And if you are using an organization's license, you need to use a specific portal or your organization's email address to trigger a single sign-on as well. You could go to start my free trial month as well. You could then go ahead and set your profile. You could first join the platform. That will prompt you select your skills and interest, all that stuff. You just want to make sure to go ahead and select it all. You could then next thing do is find contents and learn tools and features as well. So this is how you'll be able to use the LinkedIn Learning. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.